All right, so for these ones, I'm just trying to figure out the reactions. So what I have right here is an acid, and then I have a basic salt. And when I'm adding an acid, it's not interested in the acid part. It's interested in the basic salt part. So the reaction would be, and really I'm going to drop the Li. You can keep it in, but I'm going to drop it so that it really focuses on the part of the buffer that's doing something. So that part is what's reacting with the HCl. And then that's going to be what's going to end up taking the H. And then I'll have the leftover Cl. And if you left the Li in, it'd make LiCl on the right-hand side. But if it's AQ, then they're all just floating around in there anyways. So the next one, this is a base that I'm adding, right? So a base is not going to be interested in the basic salt. It's going to be interested in the acid. So CH3CO2H plus a base is going to make CH3CO2 minus. The K is going to join over to that one to charge balance it. And then we'll have water, basically. All right, so now in the next set, this is my salt, because I can tell, basically the salt's the longer one, and the one that has the extra H is going to be, well, it'll be either an acidic salt or it'll be an acid. So since I know that's a salt, this is the acidic salt, and then I know that this is the base. That's a nitrogen kind of a base. So when I add an acid, it's not going to be interested in the acidic salt. It's always going to be interested in the base. So it's going to be reacting with this side, making more of the salt. Sorry, the Cl is going to be just floating around in solution. And then in this case, this is a base, so the base is going to be interested in the acidic salt, so NaOH plus the salt part that's acidic, NH3 plus. So it's going to be giving that one, the OH part of it, an H. So I'm going to have that Na is just floating around in there. So then I'll have an HOH plus my CH3NH2. So here's my base right there with my salt. Versus up here, my base was on the left with the salt. So hopefully you can kind of see, as soon as you identify the two parts of the salt, and whether it's acidic or basic versus the other thing in solution, you can figure out what reacts with what.